Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on your XIAOMI F Pro TV. To do that, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon to open the list of all settings, then go to Preferences, the tile in the very middle, and then select Notification Settings. Here you'll find Do Not Interrupt. Just click OK, and this way you will enable this mode and turn off all the notification pop-ups on your TV. And the same way you can disable this feature later in settings. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.